Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about two character function. Okay, so we can convert timestamp with time zone, interval, integer, double precision, numeric. All this data type we can convert into string data type. Okay, let's see with the help of example. So the syntax is to char and followed by the parameter. The parenthesis, and inside parenthesis first parameter is expression and second parameter is format. Now we know that in previous video we have seen that for cast expression expression and target data type means the value which we need to convert into another data type and the target data type that we want, suppose integer to string cast. That's all, that's it. And here expression and here format means that we know that now we have to convert. There is no need to specify target data type because the function name is a target data type to character. It convert a data into character data type. So the expression we want to convert and the format, there are a lots of formats available to convert for every function. You can visit PostgreSQL documentation and see the format we needed. Some commonly used format we are discussing in this tutorial. Okay, let's see. Suppose select select one to care of from expression is suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 anything. Okay, and the target data type is and the format is suppose 9 is used for uh, uh, integer or number. Okay, it represent numeric values, and suppose 9 comma 9 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 9 comma 6 times 9, 6 times 9. Suppose this is the format. Let's see what is the output of this. Oh, to care, it gives us 2 3 4 5 6, only up to 6. 2 3 4 5 6, last 4 is excluded, first 5 is integer, because here if we specify it start from the from here and give us 4 at last. If I increase here one more 9, then you can see that 2 3 4 5 6 4, all the digits are here included. If you here only use 2 9, then you can see that hash hash hash, because it in the length of this integer is more than we take numeric values from this is too less. So the PostgreSQL cannot understand. And okay, let's see 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's run this. Yes, now it is able to do the conversion. So first 9 comma 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 values are here, and before comma one numeric integer. Suppose I have changed this to 2, then you can see that there is no effect, means it start converting from the right. So that it first take 5 integer and then comma and then 9 remaining are here. If I delete 9 from here and only 4 9, then it gives hash hash, because it is not able to convert this big integer value into this small only 5 digit. That's it. That's all about this format. Let's see another one example, date example. Let's convert it into the character. Suppose in our program PID has batch start. Okay, select batch start column from program. Yes, suppose convert this batch start to character, to char batch start, and suppose the format is ddmmyy, ddmmyy. Oh, it saying that there is no format exists. Make all these capital. You can see this. Okay, now see that this is working or not. You can refer the PostgreSQL documentation for more detail and for more formats. Oh, single quote. That's it. Day, month, year, and make it all in small. Yes, day, month, year. Suppose month is MON. Uh, it gives a month in first letter capital of month and then remaining small. If I make this M small, then what happen? March, MAR, all month letter are in small. Suppose DY. D is capital. Yes, PostgreSQL is smart enough to convert, but it converted the values in another format. So both D are small and both D are open. Okay, um, day day Saturday, day Saturday, month March, and the year is 1998, 1997. That's all about this format. Now this batch start date values is converted into string values. Here you can see that the data type of to carries text, and also yes, data type of to carries text. Okay, suppose I make here dy, comma, dy is for day, comma, and now y. Let's see. Saturday, dy. Yes, capital. Set and days, yes, capital, because here days t and y, and 03 and 1998. That's it. Okay, suppose the value. Okay, let's see another one example. Another example. Select. Suppose the value is of suppose some revenue value, some movie revenue value, the integer like value like this, or we can take specific value 45956 suppose other, and now convert to character this value in the format 9 9 9 9 9 5 9. D is used for decimal and 9 is used for numeric values. Suppose this is the format. Okay, let's run the query. This the value are not able to specify. This is not able to specify all the values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and decimal. So suppose I increase here 9 9 1 no 9 9 9. Yes, now it is able to do the this thing. Here it started from the left, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 are here before decimal, and after decimal we have make reserve two numeric values so that it occur here to 9 digit. If I increase 1 9 here, then it increase 30, it makes here 30. Suppose what if I make here dollar, yes, so that it start with dollar. If I increase 4 9 here, then you can see that there is a space comes after the dollar sign, means there is a reserve space for this 4 9 digit numerical digit. That's it. Okay, if I delete 1 9 here, then it is not able to get actually what the point is. That's all about to convert data into character data type. In the next tutorial, we are going to convert the data in numeric data type. Thank you.